while we were doing the deed and they were playing with me, he told me to open my mouth. And then he spat in my mouth.
Yes, love it.
And then he said, say thank you. I was like...
Is it the same guy? Is the Zimbabwean guy?
No.
Oh.
No,
say thank you.
He's like, say... And I actually said thank you. That was just so funny.
Hi, Shy!
And these are our future wives. These are the women that we will take serious in the future. These are the same women who will tell you, you are not on my level. You are not on my league. Zibege, umbege. That time you are pure when you've never been in a situation where another person takes your dignity. She's laughing about it. Because in her small mind, she thinks that guy was spitting in her mouth because he has a fetish. He fetishak. They let Zimbabweans and Nigerians spit in their mouths. And to them, it's just an experience. They don't understand the spiritual significance of it. Like, they really don't understand. The day you start judging women by experience, you'll save yourselves, Machida, from a lot of spiritual ties. Most of you have been initiated in ancestral worship. You don't even believe in ancestors, but you've been initiated in ancestral beliefs, all because you traded saliva with a wrong woman. Most of you women have been initiated in ancestral things, all because you allowed another man to spit in your mouth. You don't even believe in ancestors, but you are initiated there because you don't understand what that guy was doing. You don't understand because you think life is just a physical thing. That's why I need nivumela ma Zimbabwe, yangithola nama Nigerian, and kaflele mlomeni. And these people understand spiritual things. They are intelligent when it comes to these spiritual things. When you could think you could pay 2,000 just with a kaflele mlomeni. You don't know why akbatala. Let me tell you something about saliva, human saliva. If in abantu, you like experiencing these type of nonsense, these type of experiences that we just heard from this video. Let me tell you what saliva is. Saliva doesn't only contain your DNA. Saliva also contains your essence. Saliva also contains your bacteria. Meaning saliva gula amabhadi womuntu akhona. Meaning demons can travel from one person to another. Ngamathi nje. Just saliva nje. All you have to do is eat someone's saliva. You take that person's demons. You will take that person's demons. This is why after these guys spit in your mouth and tell you to swallow, and then he says to you, say thank you. When you say thank you, you are sealing the agreement that he just gave you demons or whatever he was passing on to you. And you think it's an experience. It's just an experience when he knows exactly what he was doing. This is why after that experience, you start changing. You start losing yourself and becoming something that is shameless. Shameless. You start becoming a shameless woman. And then you start talking about it publicly because the shame is gone. Because the guy took your dignity. That's why you don't even have shame. You know how ashamed you should be. That's why a lot of girls are shameless. Because they allow these men who have money to do whatever they like. After they done, abana mahloni. Bafeba without amahloni akayiboni into ayenzayo ukuthi wrong. I was listening to this girl ngelinye ilanga angitshela ukuthi engahlangana nelinye Nigerian yabona this guy wangipha 3,000 wayibeka phansi po wathi kimi let's go to the hotel, I want you to do something for me. Wafika athi go on your knees waguca yabona bayenza oral and then wamthela ngechampagne ngomdoko ebusweni. Niyayazi ni champagne my gents, niyayazi yangithola champagne Makaqeda wathi say thank you. What? Thank you. Zilokhu ishampagne lokhu ichitheka la papa. Thank you. She doesn't know ukuthi initiate after that experience to a certain type of things. Maqeda uyekhaya, she will never see that man ever again. Yena uzohamba nalawo mademon ekhaya bese wena mjida uzibonela intombazane efaka iweave ye 2.5 onezinqa oneskin esismooth ufika uthi yo lo mntana akekho levelini yami akana dignity. That guy took the dignity because she allowed another man to take her dignity. She allowed it. Akasana dignity. No more mawujola nayo into ozoyenza uzothatha whatever that guy put kuye lo mntwana. Uyithathe, uyifake kuwe into zakho zokubhedele. If azikubhedela into zakho, uqala ube umuntu ophupha izinto ezisnacks, uqale ungabi happy, uqala ube umuntu unfulfilled, uqala ube umuntu one stress to the point that you start consuming things like alcohol, like marijuana, uqala ubhema ugwayo, uqale uhamba ebusuku. You'll be so unfulfilled ngempilo yakho, uqala uhlala umuntu one stress. Ngiyakutshela bafethu, a lot of people are facing depression because of soul ties. Bathatha ama-demon kulabantwana laba, and labantwana bathathela ama-demon from allowing men who have money to practice a certain rituals on them in a form of an experience. Uthatha ama-demon ugele uyahleka. And you know the funny thing is, I said thank you. What aroused her to say thank you? She just sealed the agreement. Kusasa wena ubona ipentshisi. Yabona muhle kanjani? Ubona ipentshisi. Hello mama, umuhle kanjani ngenxa yezinqa ye-weave neskin esismooth. Yangithola you think lo mntana lo. Yabona? Noma ungajola naye uthamba. Akuna dignity azoyiletha kini. Akuna dignity azoyiletha empilweni yakho. Ayiki dignity thatha lo mfana lo. Megathi ithi ngukhafulele wathi uyithathi dignity, essence uyithathile yonke. So whoever comes next will not be a dignified guy. Dignity ayisekho. That's where soul ties come from. By allowing someone to take your dignity. Ngokuthi uzokuphi 3,000. Beauty is not everything. If beauty is anything, beauty is a trap.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. So this is Shine. Bekalapha kule podcast la akhulume khona indaba yokuthi ebampude ukuthi yini nje into le off lapha ke bamenda yona during clof or lingakajwayeleki. Wavete indaba yokuthi this one guy wamkhafunela emlonyeni during clof and wamtshela ukuthi she must say thank you. Uthi naye wathi thank you. And this guy is explaining ukuthi amantombazane they don't know bungozi labatfaka kuwo ukuthi babathathele inhlanhla tabo ngezinto letisona ama spiritual ties kuninje lokwendakalako ngemathi ungavuma njani umuntu avele akukhafunele emlonyeni athi thank you when I don't know. You think ukuthi njena it's just an experiment or uyenda njena because we are having clof. It's not that nidoba nemabhadi ulandzela amashwa because nihamba nenda tindo for imali because nihamba nena tindo leningatati nivumela abantu banende tindo lekungameli banende tona bese nini niyahleka ke nanibona ngazuthi into le right uzungabi nemahloni ukuhamba uyikhuluma into lefana naleyo. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.